You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Walk Chop 90 inside the hottest midday show for radio. With me, the first voice, Godwin Arowaya and Lady J. As I put the one on Naija FM. Lady J, you okay?
You
cool?
Okay.
You're nice? And you know, say these days when they talk about cat and big and small cat, we get tiger for studio.
Very tiger.
Me decide to call her tiger because I don't know her for so many years. Nobody will tell me say this one a cat, not tiger.
And before you introduce
You did why?
plan something. Don't talk nah. I don't plan something already. So you go calm down. I feel not doing like you, but I go try.
Okay.
Certain as the sun, baby, you know rain got one season. That's why you're my joy, the prettiest thing that I've ever seen. When I see you smile, I feel butterflies inside. You're the light in my dark.
Lady J.
Your friends, them all in your ears, telling you to leave, but you want to stay.
That's cause they don't know
how I
feel about you. The fact that we vex sometimes doesn't mean that baby you and I don't rhyme.
You're the light in my
Lady J.
dark.
You know, okay, fine, man, stop it there.
Lady J, that was beautiful. That's so beautiful. Wow,
you.
wow,
Lady J carry Iyanya go
wow.
back.
She carried
I
me
don't
go where
plan
I
on
know,
since
where I
now.
know.
If I Lady J, this one now, if you just tell Iyanya say na the lunch we want a cactus, it's done. Because
It's
like
done. No,
yeah,
please.
I
Don't,
don't
no,
want
it's
cactus.
not chop today.
You go
I
talk
will give you my
after show.
answer.
Oh yeah, we did. It's done. It's done.
They don't need to tell you again. Iyanya dey inside studio. Iyanya,
What
welcome
up?
to Naija FM.
God, how far?
I did.
Good to see you, Paddy. Me. What's popping now? What did
We
happen?
just enjoy the correct music way they give us.
My
all this
brother,
time.
thank you,
You
man.
know, say we just did the look. Iyanya just look us, just throw like give us. Wow. Davido
After
and
a
Kiss
long
Daniel.
time of being quiet.
We like
It's
before
really happening.
before we know what happened, we throw call give us.
God, to one side.
Before I know what that happened, they say Iyanya don't drop. When I hear Sinner, like oh no, something they come for front.
Back to back.
And now we don't reach here because EP don't
It's
show.
out.
You understand? Iyanya,
Yeah.
so how you did since? How you did?
I did, my brother. Good to see you
And I
guys.
say,
see you.
and I say, yeah, they did different shows. We white live, we've been there together.
We did backstage there.
Backstage. So yeah, just don't dare everywhere. You know,
Work.
say, and
Now
when I say,
work.
I have to say yes.
Thank you.
Now my guy.
Thank you, bro.
After the
Thank
long
you,
sabbatical.
man. I
so
tell
what
you,
think-
man.
Well, you now from day one now. That
Yeah.
time like in talk he be cat. Well, I know see as cat then.
Yeah.
The name when they give you back then are the R in the R&B. Remember? Eh. So that
Baddest.
I tell you say, you don't go when that
No,
matter.
you don't. You be OG. You be OG, man.
Okay, but good to see you.
Thank you
But
so much,
God
same
notice
here.
say for a while you did quiet, and I know like personally I did very concerned. But I don't know what to
They
ask.
say that if you if you say a while, go be like saying a small time.
When
You
I say a
tell-
while, it did
Yeah, 5 years.
yeah, be quiet for years. I couldn't
5
wait till
years.
they
5
happen,
years. What
you
did
know?
happen?
It's a lot of things will happen, you know. The most, say this thing happened so fast for me.
Yeah.
But even when it happened, me say I know it happened. I still remember when I buried my popsy. I buried my popsy like this Friday. The next Friday, I entered Project Fame.
Oh.
You know, so there was a lot of things really happen where even me I know take
You know
time
process.
to I know process. I still dey tour on top of all the madness. I still dey do shows. I still dey move up and down. So I be human being. So mentally, it was really crazy for me. So I had to take some time off.
Okay.
Make I fit get myself, then come back again.
Oh wow.
But we thank God say you don't come back.
But we're
And-
glad you say you don't
Thank
come
you.
back.
And
Yeah.
then apart from the fact say you be my guy naturally from day one,
Yeah.
when you come back, you get some kind coming back, you go say, I bet if I could go there where you did now.
Eh, no.
Voila.
But you get some kind come back, you go say, see, why you go
Yeah.
before?
You
You understand?
You remind me of this guy, Obi Asika.
Okay.
Maybe one of the judges for Nigeria. Last year, somebody come. Now I can say, why you come here? He say, to showcase my talent to the world. He say, oh, yeah, sing. When he sing, he say, now this talent, now you want showcase give the world. You for keep am covered though. You for not open now. You for not expose them. Just stay your
You know
day.
why I know blame that kind of person? His family members tell us say the talent.
It's a bad.
You know the family members that some of the wrong people
Kai.
will ask for opinion because they don't want to hurt you.
Yeah, they don't make you happy.
Don't make you happy.
You understand?
Yeah.
So it be like this young guy, T Classic, where they here yesterday, say he do one song, can't shoot the video. Before you come play the song for DJ Neptune and so now they're going to say, what's be this? No try am.
After don't waste money for
Hi.
video.
Say, till today, that video they there.
Hi.
And the song, they can't get to it. You can't play another song. They can't say, you get this one, why you go?
You shoot this video.
So from the opinion, now you can't bring that one when you can't talk about yesterday. So the other one plus video and everything waste because then saying
no work. That means the Neptune then like him.
They like him. But now family member they say correct.
They tell him truth.
But I mean, since you come back, lovely jams. Like I don't count before, call, and even this scene. And I know and we know say EP don't.
Is out. Love and Trust.
Yeah, Love and Trust. So we want to talk about Love and Trust now. Tell us about this EP, Love and Trust.
First of all, make I hail on my people where they listen. It's been a minute. The EP now something with me and my family. We just we just gathered together, work on for a while. I get Joe Boy obviously on the first track, Love and Trust.
Okay.
Big shout out to Joe Boy, Buju Benson, and all my guys where I work with. Just to make sure that the fans we don't do wait. May them get something where they go like.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this Love and Trust, I think I have 5, I mean 6
songs.
6 songs.
Yeah.
Okay, so
about 3 done they out already.
Yeah. But Sina.
Sina. Plans. Okay, two songs now.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay. And then of course we go play more. We go play more now. We go play Love and Trust me then here. But so like how many producers you work with for this EP?
I work with Nif Keys. I work with Stofa. I work with Sugar. And I work with a Banger. Yeah, Banger.
Okay.
Wow, nice.
Banger beats, yeah.
Now, so this your song, Like,
Yeah.
where you carry Davido and Kiss Daniel.
Yeah.
That's now your first single after being quiet for 5 years.
Yeah.
What didn't inspire this song?
Shout out to Ubi. Now Ubi actually make that collaboration, make you work. Now reach out to everybody.
Okay.
Say we have to, David, you have to get on this. And the love was massive from the guys.
Okay, so what didn't be the inspiration of it? If you like, show me what you really feel inside.
Shout out that kiss line. If you like, show me what you feel inside, pretty much, and just no hide how you feel.
Because a lot of people they pretend.
They package too much. If you like me, just let me know. Say you like me. No, the form for the matter.
You see, girl like you, but you don't talk. You go wait, no the guy talk. Meanwhile, the guy never even recognize this.
Even now, when you go toast in friend, you go tell.
But I've been here.
I don't wait since.
You understand?
Well, they always tell
but
us
I don't know.
say
Say the wait since.
They don't tell us like they say if we show you guys green light, they take us for granted. And some of us won't experience them again, so
now
we know one day hot.
Now when you show small boys green light, they take them granted. If you show the green lights,
God will bless you.
Pass.
Now small boy we don't know what in day. Now they show green light.
They carry on the rubbish.
They show green light. Make movies.
They wait for red.
They wait for red. But this EP, this like no day inside.
Yeah, because like they for the last EP I dropped.
Okay. So this EP don't drop. They're everywhere.
Fresh, it's everywhere. People they love them, and I'm thankful for it. It's been saying now somebody remind me say I don't go 16 years.
Wow.
Some days ago in the industry. I'm like wow.
You see what I thought say na tiger.
No big tiger, na lion.
Big tiger,
na lion.
Crazy man. Crazy.
So, but this singer, why you decide to put Buju Benson inside, and how the song come about?
So you get the way you go produce song as you produce them, you go feel them say if this person there. And when you mention the person name for studio, now so everybody go say, yes, you go kill him. And that's how we they work. We will just throw the names, for studio like that. Anybody if the house agree, we will reach out to the person. So that's what happened. We'll be reach out to Buju. Buju came through and I love it just come. That's the first time when you speak in language. Buju is from Akwa Ibom. Many people don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just said Buju na Igbo boy.
Even me. I shock. I don't know say all this while say Buju now. So this is the first time where Buju sing Akwa Ibom in language for any song.
Music,
wow.
So now this song people take no say, even the Akwa Ibom people and Calabar people take no say
Wow.
How many videos you don't shoot from this EP?
I don't shoot about 3.
Which one?
Three videos. I don't shoot Love and Trust. I don't shoot Plans. I don't shoot Sinner.
Okay.
I'll still shoot some more.
some more for the from the EP like that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I know say some of them I go want to talk to Iyanya and I go say you don't take. So if you send message for WhatsApp, you understand 0908-285-8887. 0908-285-8887. If you also call the line 0700 1102.
So this one say, Iyanya, my guy, welcome back. Oh, really missed and happy from you. And happy from you. I believe I say to hear from you.
Yeah.
From the day is Kukere, lovely jams from you. You be lion, you know be cat.
Hey,
Please, that your cat Please, that your cat theft issue was sad when I heard. Thank God your name wasn't spoiled. Thumbs up, brother man. Holyfield, better person.
Thank you, man.
Okay.
Thank God, man.
Please, Oga Godwin. Okay, that one now for later. Good afternoon, Naija FM. Mr. Godwin, thank you for bringing my brother Iyanya. Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin. I bet help me ask my brother Iyanya about that girl waiting say for the video concert now. Indiana. About one girl. Say you meet one girl for your concert, something like.
They find the girl number.
No, he say you talk more about them because you don't conclude say now your.
Omo be my baby. I just love what they show. Pretty much nothing more than that.
You don't clear.
Nothing.
Yeah. I want make you react to this.
Sure.
Old cat, young cat matter. You see that statement now.
I see him.
What be your impression? Me, when I see the statement, I say David just want fine talk. Finish. Now, it's me. I just talk, but I say he just want me people talk. We just create buzz because the statement really he did one kind. What do you think?
I could be very honest. I no won't make any comments publicly about that because
all of them are your guys. Yeah. Dodge my question. The way we are here, David just want to talk. You understand? Basically, all of them, those people name when you call, they know they're the same level with Burna Boy in terms of cat. So if I say maybe this one a young lion, this one a mid-term lion, this one.
I mean mid-term lion. They share.
Because when you call them, a Fireboy, same thing with Burna Boy. Come on now, they don't start the same time. Space D way. You understand? But don't leave the matter now. So, made men, you see there with made men. See, get your record with made men.
I do. And made men, they do all this work.
And on they back together because I've been split one time.
Of course.
And that I want to do that. I know some plenty. Even Basi, we did
everybody, we still get the same people.
Everybody, the same crew still there. Okay, so, all right. So, now here, the DJ take one or two more messages. And then, we'll open the lines.
Iyanya, my G. Good to hear from you again. I rep Calabar South, Government Science School.
From
Main Avenue, Calabar. Kingsley from Calabar South.
Kingsley, I live here. That's my school. That means we go the same school.
Wow.
And Calabar South is where I'm from.
Okay.
And my hood.
Say, clear the air about that girl where you snatch from your fan. You snatch girl from
I don't snatch anybody. People need to understand that some people we just need love, and sometimes you know hurt anybody if you just show person small love.
Yes,
no be everybody where they want knack.
So when they ask some kind of questions, like this one now say,
I don't understand.
Good afternoon, Godwin. I want to ask Iyanya what do you mean by
your waist? All I want is your waist.
For that so you need person to interpret that meaning for you.
Sammy
from Yaba.
Sammy,
calm down.
Sammy, just a fine.
Calming down, no.
Just a fine talk.
My name is Samuel. I'm calling from Yaba.
Samuel from Yaba, talk to Iyanya.
Yaba is live. How far, Sammy?
This is my first time caller.
First time where they call.
First time caller, ring bell, fam.
Samuel, you see this siren? What would they carry? Now the one where they carry someone anywhere when they go outside Lagos, and then your people don't they clap for you. Samuel, don't blow. Samuel, welcome. Talk to Iyanya.
Samuel, have fun. How Yaba?
I did, yeah. I did see your song, dude.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. I hear you.
I see your man.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
He's the so much sit down to think of positive.
Okay, your line on the break somewhere, but thanks for your call. Mona, make sure you on stream and download and share the new EP, Love and Trust.
Thank
you understand?
Man.
Love and Trust. Yeah, Love and Trust. It possibly make person love somebody but may not trust them.
Yes, now.
Okay, I guess it possibly trust somebody.
You're not even supposed to trust person where you love.
You're not supposed to trust person where you love.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand.
Wait. You're not supposed to trust person where you love.
Yes, now.
Why?
Because if you trust person where you love, good disappoint you. So if you trust them, every time when you do something wrong, you go they broken now.
Okay, so you
make you just love them purely, just love them. Leave trust to God.
No trust them.
Trust belongs to God, not man.
Not man. So in a nutshell, to stay safe and keep your heart safe,
just the love they go.
But no trust.
No trust. Trust God. Say the love go, just they go.
What about the one where this former American president? Somebody say trust but verify.
Trust belongs to God. You know why they talk so? If you check them, all of us now human beings. If I tell you, say tomorrow I go call you. I no can't call you vex.
Yeah.
You know it.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello,
okay,
good
talk.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, about Godwin.
What will be your name? Where they go? Sammy, okay, talk. Okay, talk to Iyanya.
Alpha, Baba.
About you, what will happen?
I just deal with my people like this soft.
Baba, your face because cast for the industry.
I don't drop EP like this. I beg. Stream I beg.
Confirm, I will go stream now.
And they tell you.
I beg, I want to ask. About Godwin, now you I want to ask.
What's happen?
I want to say between Iyanya, KC, who sabi wine waste pass?
Who sabi wine waste pass?
I beg.
Now draw. That be my guys. Now draw.
I'm gonna be that too.
Make I do like Iyanya. That be my guys. Now draw. You know, both of them are A. Both of them are A class students. But you don't say for school A different. Person if he score 90 over 100 na A, you give him. If he score 80 over 100 na CA. So Iyanya na 85 over 100. Casey na 86 over 100.
No, Casey na my egbon.
A1.
Let me tell you what's crazy, right? You know, like Casey be the first person who buy me my tickets from Calabar to Lagos.
Oh wow!
Seriously?
Yeah, and I stayed with Casey for 2 years.
Okay, fine. Now, Casey, now wine waste
pass. You know, I tell you since you don't agree here.
You know, I mean, but I mean, I like. You see, I remember.
We did together this morning.
I mean, love and trust. Now, love, I trust. You know,
I know, commit crime.
You know.
I pour my heart out. So she run me streets.
You see, that remind me of when somebody I watched one movie where the girl they explained to her friend. You know, say, did I do anything wrong? Loving him. You know, she did cry. I just loved him. It's because I love him. So it just remind me of how I love. I don't do anything.
I just love. I love.
But heartbreakers are wicked.
My brother, they no get conscience.
Like how many you don't break? How many people heart you don't break?
Me? You know, go reach 5.
Maybe like that kind 3 or 4.
Maybe like 3. Then break my own. At least they don't break my heart. Reach at least 20 times.
Really? And why you try your 20 times and you still stand like this?
Grace.
God, the men down.
Grace, they sufficient.
You and Yvonne Nelson, who break who?
You say?
Yeah, Yvonne. Yeah,
I know. See what you talk about.
Yeah. You know, say we don't be guys for years. And I know the.
So what you talk now? I see what you talk, but I know you am.
Confess now. You and Yvonne, who break who?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Like, me break out.
Now you break out. Okay, so no wonder you all know this 20 because people they rush break your own because you don't do whatever. But a very lovely jam. Yeah.
Thank you.
So why you decide to put Joe Boy for this song?
Let me even tell you what's crazy. Joe Boy buzzed me one time. It's like I have a beautiful song that I want us to do together, and that's Love and Trust.
Wow. Might be this song.
Yeah, Love and Trust.
Wow. I mean the song they bring memories anyway, all the same. But
a lot of
you know what's
memories.
crazy? Joe Boy is a very, very talented artist. You know that, and I've always wanted to work with him. So I think just buzzed me. I say, Baba, let's run it.
Okay. All right. So now don't hear the EP done day out already on all platforms.
Yeah.
Stream, download, share them with everybody there around you. Tell them. And the video for this one too done day.
Yeah, the video is out in a few days. Love and Trust. But what made you pay breakfast? Because they all give me breakfast some days ago.
What's the breakfast with that one? Okay, so tell us about breakfast. How did the song come about?
So breakfast, you know, shout out to my guys where we we would vibe together. Roger, God boy. Breakfast na heartbreak, But I don't find somebody where they believe say if you walk, you understand what I'm saying? So now inspire the breakfast.
The breakfast na current one. I mean old.
Now everything I tell you na current
breakfast.
As I did that is my heart. My heart na stitches. They just
those stitches,
My heart just the stitch and everything. You know why it be like that? Because if people they see me, they see the heartbreaker. But they know the reason I'm me where they break heart fast.
No, wow.
Okay, so but currently now, when be the last time where heartbreak happened to you?
I'm saying if just
just
a
few time. Okay, so
a few days ago.
So what's the state of your heart now? And just
vitamins I need like
just to be by yourself.
I need vitamins like this.
Okay, so we'll go play breakfast now. Yeah. When we come out from breakfast, we'll go wrap up with iyanya.
Thank you.
All right, and I don't hear and say you don't chop enough. Almost 20. I mean,
at least 21.
You suppose don't fat well because as you don't chop plenty.
They know if they break your heart, made the hard
weight.
You don't chop plenty.
You know how they gonna break your heart to get the hard weight? You know they possible. As they break your heart to get, you know gonna get weight gonna go.
You don't chop breakfast well.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.